Hi guys, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you an easy way to apply your eyeshadow. So I had a request from a subscriber to take her through how to apply her eyeshadow, like with the whole blending and brushes and easy to go tricks. So in today's tutorial I'm just going to be doing that. So to start off, how to conceal my eyelid area. I'm using the PK Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And this is in the shade, this is the Flawless palette. The Flawless palette from PK Cosmetics. Yeah. PK Cosmetics. You really need to get one of these palettes, right? I'm going to make sure I get a discount code for my subscribers, so if you need to purchase one of these, I'll definitely get a discount code and put it in my link. I put in my description so you guys could use that code to make a purchase. So first off, I'm going in with my first brush, which is a fluffy brush. The shade right here. And you just want to like dab into it really lightly, all that space in the lid area. So I just like to look down, and luckily the palette has a mirror, so I'm just looking into the mirror, and I'm applying it first to the outer corners of my eye. And I'm packing it. So I'm going in a kind of stamping motion. I'm not like sweeping it, let go from back. Like I'm just going in a stamping motion. There's a dark brown shade in there, so I'm going to be using that, the very first one. Yay, this I'm going in, and I'm using the same brush. Actually, it doesn't matter. I'm putting it at the very same spot I started with. Now you see there's some sort of depth coming in, and that's just what you want. So I'm going to go back into the first shade and put it at the top to kind of blend. And now I'm dragging it slightly into my face. I'm going back in because I want that side of my eyeshadow to be very bright. But if you don't have this shade, that's okay. I'm gonna go on with my blending brush. You want to use a fluffy brush, another fluffy brush like you use for the corner of your eye, to actually apply your pigments. So I think this pink shade is beautiful. I want to try. So I'm using the pink shade. Where you at? Yep, right next to this. I'm using this pink shade on my eyelid. Ooh, it's so pretty. I like it. Wow, that's nice. This is nice. If you're going to use pigments that have like eyeshadow pigments, actually advisable you do your eyes before coming to do your foundation. Just when the pigment drops on your face, you won't really feel bad like having to mess up your makeup and all that. Ooh, this is nice. I like it. So I'm just taking it slightly up because I realized that this is where my eye goes in. So I'm just taking it slightly up, not so much. And then I'm going back in. So I'm just using 2 brushes actually in today's tutorial, just 2 brushes. So I'm going back in to use, I'm actually just using like 3 shades in today's tutorial. And you see how I'm packing it, like I'm going in this like diagonal form towards like towards my wall, towards the inner part of my eyebrow. And I'm just going to use the rest to blend the top with like no extra product, just blend the top. And you're looking down so you could get like more lid area. See how beautifully it has blended. So I'm going to stop talking and do the second eyelid. You guys should watch it. So I'll finish up my makeup and get right back. This is the completed look. I quickly had to do this on my face off camera so I don't get you guys bored. But yes, to apply your eyeshadow is really simple and very easy. Just use your concealer shade. That's especially if you don't have an eyeshadow primer. Maybe you don't need to stock up on all those things. So just get your concealer shade. If you get a brighter concealer, that's perfect. Just to help apply your eyeshadow. I'm so glad PK Cosmetics sponsored this video and helping me get my eyeshadow done. Yay! And I do have another tutorial on a more colorful look, so I'll definitely leave the link up here so you guys can watch that as well. Don't forget to subscribe and to like my video as well if you found it helpful, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.